Okay, so in your syllabus, even though we have a lot of chart types, okay, but for your syllabus, we will just cover for column charts, bar charts, and also pie charts. Okay, so the first types of charts that I want to introduce to you is a column charts. Okay, so uh, to insert a chart, okay, what we'll need to do is, okay, the first thing is we need to select the cells that you want to chart, including the column titles and row labels. Okay, so these cells will be source data for the charts. Okay, in our examples here, we will select cells from A2 until F7. Okay, so we select A2 until F7. Okay, so from the insert tab, okay, click the desired charts command. In our example here, we will select column chart. Okay, we go to insert tab. Okay, all right, and then you will see that is a chart groups here. Okay, so as I said earlier, we will choose a column chart. So this is a column chart. Okay, so from here, okay, you need to choose the desired chart type from the drop down menu. So here I just use a simple 2D column chart. Okay, so okay, and then the selected charts will be inserted into your worksheet. Okay, and then if you're not sure which types of charts to use, the recommended charts command will suggest several different charts based on the source of data. Okay, so still inside insert. Okay, all right, and then you will see these buttons. Okay, so this is what it means by the recommended charts. Okay, they will suggest any several different charts. Okay, based on the source of data. Okay, all right, so uh after inserting, okay, a chart, there are several things, okay, that you may want to change about the way how your data is displayed. Okay, so it's easy to edit charts layout and style from the design tab. Okay, so Excel will allow you to add chart elements, okay, such as chart titles, legends, and data labels, okay, that to make your chart easier to read. All right, to add a chart elements, click the add chart elements command on the design tab and then choose the desired elements from the drop down menu. Okay, so we will go here. Okay, the chart, okay, design here. All right, and then you will see there is one button here, add chart elements. Okay, and then okay, you will see there is an options here. Okay, to add the axis titles, chart title, data labels, and so on. Okay, so first thing is we need to insert the chart title, and then you will see there is a several options here. Okay, all right, and then you just can choose any of the options. So example, I choose above chart. Okay, so this is the area, okay, to edit the charts element. Okay, such as chart titles. Here simply double click the placeholder and begin typing. Okay, so here, okay, we name our chart titles here as a book sales. Okay, all right, so once we're done, okay, or if you don't want to add any chat elements individually, okay, you can use one of the Excel predefined layouts. Okay, so simply click the quick layout command and choose the desired layout from the drop down menu. Okay, so what it means is go to the chart design. Okay, and then you will see there is one button is a quick layout commands. Okay, so and then when you click this drop down menu, you will see, all right, any of Excel predefined layouts, okay, that is available inside your Microsoft Excel. Okay, all right, and then okay, Excel also includes, okay, several chart style which allow you to quickly modify the look and feel of your chart. Okay, so to change the chart style, select the desired style from the chart styles groups. Okay, so and then you also can uh, click on the drop down arrow on the right to see more styles. Okay, so here is the chart styles that are available inside your Microsoft Excel, or you can click this drop down arrow, sorry, all right, to choose more styles that are available inside your Microsoft Excel. Okay, so you can choose any one of it. Okay, example, I choose this layout. Okay, these styles. Okay, and then you also can use a chart formatting shortcut buttons, okay, to quickly add charts element, okay, and then it also can change the chart style and filter the charts data. Okay, so if you see here, okay, okay, we have these buttons, okay, that they call it as a charts elements. We have a chart style, and also we have a chart filters. Okay, so uh okay, so we can click, okay, this button, okay, to see, okay, rather than other than you use a chart design, add the elements from here, you also can use the shortcut buttons here. Okay, so this is a style, okay, rather than you use a chart design, choose it from here. You also have an options from here, and then this is for you to filters, okay, chart app filters, okay, to edit what data points and names that are visible on your charts. Okay, so from here, okay, let we add some of the elements. Example here, okay, we want to add the axis titles here. Okay, so here is the we edit, okay, the axis title as okay, we label it as a total sales. Okay, all right, and then we add another elements here. Okay, the axis title for x axis. Okay, this one is a category or the genre. Okay, sorry. Okay, and then okay, from here also you can insert the data labels. Okay, so this is what happened if you want to insert the data labels. Okay, so and then if you click here, there is an options, either you want it to be centered, inside, and so on. All right, and then if you want to control the data labels, okay, you can click the more option. Okay, you can see here, from here, okay, there is also a shortcut way for you to format the data labels. Okay, so example here, okay, we want to set, okay, because it doesn't look nice here because it would redundant data label, one data label with another data label. So we can rotate the text. Okay, how you want to rotate the text is, okay, by go to this option, size and properties. Okay, and then you go to alignment. Okay, and then from here you can change the text direction. Okay, so from here, horizontal, you rotate, okay, all the text to 270 degrees, so you will see, okay, it will be much it will be more proper. Okay, so you need to do every single data label, okay, for every category. Okay, so let we try to do it here. Okay, so I will change one by one. Okay, okay, so we almost done here, so another one. Okay, so our data label display more nicely, okay, for to the reader to view, to read the data. Okay, and then another thing is about the legend. Okay, you also have an options, okay, to change the position of the legends. Okay, you can try, okay, example, okay, and then what you need to remember that, okay, legend is one of the important elements that you need to insert into your charts. Okay,